A polynomial is made of terms added or subtracted. In 3x squared plus 5x minus 7, each piece is a term. The highest exponent is 2, so the degree is 2. Negative exponents, roots, or x in the denominator are not allowed. Check the exponents to decide. So remember whole number exponents only. When adding polynomials, combine like terms only. Match x squared terms with x squared, x terms with x terms, and constants with constants. Here, 3x squared plus 2x squared becomes 5x squared. 5x plus 7x becomes 12x. 4 minus 1 is 3. Always match like terms first, then add to simplify. We're subtracting polynomials, so the first thing to do is slow down and copy the problem carefully. Notice the minus sign in front of the second parentheses. That minus is important. When you distribute it, every sign inside the parentheses flips. Pluses turn into minuses, and minuses turn into pluses. Once everything is written without parentheses, the problem becomes much simpler. Now look for like terms. Group the x squared terms together, the x terms together, and the constants together. Only like terms can be combined. Subtract within each group, just like normal numbers. When you finish combining, write the result as one clean polynomial. That final simplified expression is your answer. Pause the video and try solving these examples independently. Then press play to watch the complete solution unfold step by step on the screen. When multiplying polynomials, every term on the left multiplies every term on the right. Nothing gets skipped. Here we're multiplying 2x plus 3 times x plus 4. That means we have 4 total multiplications. First, multiply 2x times x. That gives 2x squared. Next, multiply 2x times 4. That gives 8x. Now move to the second term on the left. Multiply 3 times x to get 3x. Finally, multiply 3 times 4, which gives 12. Now that all products are written, combine like terms. Add 8x and 3x to get 11x. Write everything together. The final answer is 2x squared plus 11x plus 12. When multiplying polynomials, this is the exact order you should follow. When multiplying binomials, follow this order every time. FOIL. FOIL stands for first, outer, inner, last. Start with the first terms. Multiply 2x and x to get 2x squared. Next is outer. Multiply 2x and negative 5 to get negative 10x. Now do inner. Multiply 3 and x to get 3x. Last comes last. Multiply 3 and negative 5 to get negative 15. Once all four products are written, combine like terms. Add the x terms together. Write everything in order. The final answer is 2x squared minus 7x minus 15. Pause here and attempt these examples. After that, press play to see the solution built visually, one step at a time. Remember, FOIL just tells you what to multiply and in what order.